Finally, the Temple of Echoes.
Warning, energy readings unstable. Proceed with caution.
This short film I made using one platform, and trust me, it's unreal. Imagine making a full movie, long or short, without cameras, actors, or editing skills. Just write, and boom. Your story turns into connected scenes, smooth transitions, consistent characters, and cinematic shots that look 100% real. Every moment flows perfectly, like a professional director crafted it. And the craziest part? People won't even believe it's AI generated. It's a complete AI video agent that turns your ideas into videos. It's powered by the world's most advanced models for images, video, voiceover, and even music, and you can make videos completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You will get 1000 free credits, which is enough to create 3 to 4 long videos completely free. I'll show you everything step by step, so pay close attention. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called Flova AI, is the world's first all-in-one AI video agent. It lets you create cinematic short films simply by having conversations with AI. It works like a text-based professional editing tool, breaking your video production into clear stages, story outlines, visual planning, storyboard design, shot control, and even background music generation. At every stage, you can step in and make adjustments to ensure the final video perfectly matches your creative vision and professional standards. It supports all the top models, including Nano Banana Pro, Sora 2, VEO 3.1, WAN 2.5, and Sedence. So, the first thing you need to do is click the link in the description and join the waitlist using your Google account. Then, add your social accounts, like your YouTube channel or Instagram profile. You can also fill in the optional boxes if you want. Once you click Join Waitlist, you'll get an instant confirmation that you've joined. And don't worry, you'll get access the same day. Using my link, you'll receive 1000 free credits and 500 free credits every week. Just make sure you sign up through the link in the description. After your waitlist request is accepted by the Flova team, you'll see this interface. Here, all you need to do is enter your idea or script, and the rest will be handled automatically. In the Models section, you'll find all the top models: Sora 2, VEO 3, Nano Banana 2, Sedence, Kling, Vidu, WAN 2.5, Midjourney V7 GPT Image 1, Suno for music, and 11 Labs for voices. I also recommend checking out the videos created with Flova for inspiration. Every video looks perfect, and if you look at the visuals, they feel like Netflix series level scenes. I'm pasting my script, which I took help from ChatGPT to create, and I will share this on my Discord server as well. You can also upload images, text files, and audio for reference. Then, select the models you want to use in your video. For images, I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro, and as you can see, it's added here. For videos, I'm selecting VEO 3.1, and both models are now added. Similarly, you can add voiceover and music models. Once everything is set, just click Generate. As you can see, Flova AI starts creating storyboard segments based on the script we provided. Flova AI also generates a creative brief and mentions the video duration, aspect ratio, language, and target audience. It uses the same models I selected earlier, but you can change or switch to other models if you want. Then, it asks for my confirmation on the segments, which I approved. First, it starts generating our character images, and once it's done, all the cast images are ready, and they look great. If you want, you can edit the prompts to make changes to your images, such as changing the character, clothes, or colors. And if a character image looks off, you can simply regenerate it from here. From here, you can also download the images for future use. If you are happy with your cast, go back to the chat section. As you can see, Flova AI asks for my confirmation before generating our first segment scenes. I typed Proceed, and it started generating the first segment scene images using the Nano Banana Pro model. Within a few seconds, the images were ready. You can check all the images, and if needed, edit the prompts or regenerate them. If everything looks good, head over to the chat section again. Flova AI then asks whether you want to convert these images into a video or generate images for the next segment. I simply copied this prompt, pasted it, and clicked Run. It started converting our first segment scenes into a video using the VEO 3.1 video model. And just like that, our first segment video was generated. Check the videos, and if anything needs to be changed, you can edit the video prompt just like you edited the image prompts. Then regenerate the video and download it from here. Now let's go back to the chat section. As you can see, the Flova AI assistant is asking if I want to generate the next segment images. Just like before, I copied the prompt, pasted it, and clicked run. Keep in mind, if the AI generation seems to be taking too long, you can simply let the model run until it reaches the final step. So, it started generating the next segment scenes of our video, and here they are. Using the same steps, I converted these images into videos. Repeating this process, I completed all 4 segments of my video. And to be honest, every scene was perfectly generated. Each scene connects smoothly with the next one, just like a professional video. And if you want to create a similar scene from any image or video, just click this reply option. It will be added to the chat section, and you can generate a new scene using that reference image or even modify that scene however you want. In my video, I already have dialogues because I generated the scenes using VEO 3.1, so I don't need a voiceover. I only want to add background music. So I simply typed add background music and clicked run. Flova started generating background music, and within a few seconds, it gave me 2 tracks created with Suno AI. Listen to both and choose whichever sounds better, or regenerate if you want a different style. Once that's done, type ready to export in the chat. Flova will start merging all segments and preparing the final timeline. Open the timeline, and you'll see all your generated scenes including the background music. From here, you can select any scene and adjust the speed, and also adjust the volume of each scene and the background music. After making your adjustments, click export. You'll see 3 options: video, project file, and all files. I downloaded both the video and all the files. Let's watch the final product.
Finally, the Temple of Echoes.
Warning, energy readings unstable. Proceed with caution.
Whew, that was close.
Who dares disturb the crystal?
I'm here to steal it! I'm here to protect my village! Island, its power levels are rising! This could get bad!
This is the source of the legend. The crystal.
See, it's amazing. The character consistency, the story flow, everything looks perfect and easy to understand. And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can create even better videos than mine. You just need to take the first step and add a little creativity. Flova AI gives you 500 free credits every week. And if you use my link, you'll get an extra 500 credits. So you will get 1000 free credits. If you refer a friend, you'll also earn 300 credits. The best part? It doesn't even use many credits. I made a complete video, and I still have 1000 credits remaining. So what are you waiting for? You now have a platform where you can create high-quality, Hollywood-level videos. Go ahead and check it out yourself. The link is in the description. I'd love for you to share your creations on my Discord server. By doing so, not only will you showcase your work, but you'll also inspire and motivate others who are learning and experimenting. Every shared video or idea can spark creativity and help someone else take their first step, so don't hesitate to post your content and be part of our growing community. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.